Continue. Okay, my name is Ukafo Raymond. I work in partnership with State Ministry of Health. So today we'll be talking about injectable PrEP. So PrEP is a kind of HIV prevention strategy whereby you use it to prevent HIV. So aside from condom, we have what we call oral PrEP. Oral PrEP is like a pill. You use it 2 to 3 days.
So once you do the pre-condom presentation, how to use the male condom. Condom has its own rules and regulations. It's not something you put inside your wallet and you enter bike and you sit on the condom. You are breaking the rules.
Hello? First of all, you need to start out for what you need. Come on. Come on, leave. This is a little doctor. For instance, if this is bad, and he gives it on for you to 1 minute.
I need to capture this.
She's still bad. Okay, first of all, if you bring a condom, the first thing you have to look at is the expiry date. After which, you must open the condom. Tell us the expiry date of the condom. May 2028. Okay, how comes one year? You shouldn't be shy. Show us what you want. Continue. No, we should do it right. Please, is there any other person that can help us with the argument? They say, please come and help this house. Please, you people should pay attention. Did she do it right? So now one person come out and tell me why you think she did it the right way. Just one person. Anybody? Nobody come to the slave, man. I need it. Okay? I need a lady that can be able to remove this kind of this. Come. Did she do it the right way?